cruzar, cruzar. Cruzar is another interesting verb, and this means to cross. Cruzar, to cross. Now, let's see some examples. Cuidado al cruzar la calle. Cuidado al cruzar la calle. So this is a very interesting phrase, and this means be careful. Cuidado, be careful. While crossing, al cruzar la calle, the street. Okay? Cuidado al cruzar la calle. Be careful while crossing the street. That's what this sentence means. And we can see the verb cruzar right here. Right here, cruzar. Okay? Cuidado al cruzar. So this is a very common thing to do when you have cuidado. You have al, cuidado al, and then the action. In this situation, cruzar, to cross or crossing, right? Cuidado al comer. Be careful while eating something, right? Cuidado al comer, cuidado al caminar. Be careful while walking. But this is some warning that you're saying. But you obviously have to complete it. In this situation, we needed la calle. If we had cuidado al cruzar, so that means be careful while crossing. That's it. But what are you crossing? La calle, the street. Okay? So very interesting how this sentence works. And cruzar, once again, to cross. And it's pretty much just literally you're crossing something. It could be a bridge. It could be the street. It could be, I don't know, the ocean, right? So it could be anything. You're doing that. You're crossing literally. Okay. The next example. Let's see what we have here. We don't have anything. What happened? I had another example here. It's not showing. There you are. No cruces la línea. No cruces la línea. No cruces la línea. What does this mean? This means don't cross the line. It could be, literally a line, because, when you have to take the subway, there's a line, right? And you cannot cross that line. Or as an expression, don't cross the line, right? Just don't push it, right? So it could be used in literally or figuratively, okay? So, no cruces. Don't cross. No cruces. No cruces. Don't cross. No cruces. La línea, the line. Okay? Línea means line. Very simple. This is a very, very easy example using cruzar. So, cruzar, we can be talking about a street. We can be talking about a line, literally or figuratively. Excellent.